What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another big body bang. Today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to use the multi effects on FL Studio Mobile, man. Now, if y'all don't know, they got FL Studio Mobile on iOS, Android, computer. It's on damn near everything. iPad. It's on everything, man. But I had just bought it again for $15. We back at it like a motherfucking crack addict, man. But yeah, as y'all can see my track. You feel me? We got a nice little track going. Check out my last FL Studio video if you want to check out how I made this track. Basically, I'm finna be showing y'all sauce, man. So let's get straight into it. So as y'all can see, I got a graphic EQ on there already. Y'all go watch the last video if y'all don't know how to use that effects. Y'all can see in the mix tab, you got the multi effects right here, and basically it's like a real time effects. Like you gotta actively use it while recording. You feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all an example right now. So we're just gonna do a little fade in at the beginning of the beat. So let's get into it. Now you wanna click on this button right here, the little triangle at the lower right. And then the record button's gonna pop up, and then I believe you hold this open, and then you just go. So let's do it. This be my love. Hey. All right, so this is the LP filter. Hey, she said she wanna be my love. Hey. Oh, I forgot. I got the repeater on. I'm like, what's going on? Sorry about that, y'all. Alright, so as y'all can see, I got it just low right here. You gotta just work with it, y'all. You gotta ease into it. Just like that, man. She said she wanna be my love. Now, as y'all can see that little finger rotation I did, that little bow. If you do it like that, it's like a transition. I don't know if y'all watched my BandLab video, how I was talking about transitions. When you like there's transitions in the beat. It transitioned from like the intro to the the hook chorus, however, but it's gonna be a transition. So in the middle of that transition, that gives you a lot of space to work with and get tricky and put your own little sauce and spice to it. You feel me? So keep that in mind, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear it right quick. We got that out the way. I'm gonna show y'all how you can work with it on the vocals. So multi effects, let's get into it. Hey, 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 hey. So as y'all can hear, hey, you can kind of just work with it. Oh, you my shawty. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta work with that, man. Now let's delete all of this, right? Now let's say you wanted the effects to capture your vocals in the beat, so I'm gonna slap it on the master gain. Tricky with that, you feel me? But hey, hopefully y'all learned a thing or two in this video, and stay tuned for more big body bangers, man. I'm finna be doing a lot more videos on FL Studio. I'm still trying to learn how to master it so I can get them vocals sounding crispy, so I can get these presets out for y'all, man. But hey, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the post notifications for more big body bangers, man. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.